A landmark legal battle is brewing between Mexico and tech giant Google. The issue, the Gulf of Mexico's name. Here's why Mexico says the tech company's map update could spark more than just a virtual dispute. Mexico is now awaiting a response from Google after the tech company renamed the Gulf of Mexico in its online maps. Mexico has demanded that Google restore the original name to the Gulf or it will take the company to court.
The first time in history flying over the recently renamed Gulf of America.
This all started after US President Donald Trump declared the water body as the Gulf of America. The decision raised eyebrows and sparked tensions between Mexico and the US. Mexican president shared a letter from Google's Vice President of Government Affairs, Chris Turner. In the letter, Turner stated that the company would not change its new policy. According to Google, this change follows its long-standing policy to maintain consistent naming conventions across regions. But for Mexico, this isn't just a name, it's a matter of sovereignty. Google now labels the Gulf as the Gulf of America within US borders, but keeps the name Gulf of Mexico in Mexico. Elsewhere, it calls the body of water Gulf of Mexico. Mexico sees this as a violation of its sovereignty. Only 46% of the Gulf falls under US jurisdiction, while Mexico controls 49%, and Cuba manages the remaining 5%. The name Gulf of Mexico has been used for centuries, dating back to 1607, as is internationally recognized by the United Nations. Mexico's government insists that it won't stand by as the name is changed, especially on a global platform like Google Maps. The Mexican authorities have made it clear if Google does not restore the original name, they will take legal action. In a public statement, Mexican president reaffirmed Mexico's stance, saying, and I quote, "Under no circumstance will Mexico accept the renaming of a geographic zone within its own territory and under its jurisdiction." The renaming of the Gulf has sparked political tensions between Mexico and the US at a sensitive time. Mexico's president is facing delicate diplomatic relations with the US as both countries are grappling with issues like trade and immigration policies. In fact, just this week, high-level meetings between the US and Mexico are planned to discuss trade and security. Mexican president hopes to maintain collaboration and prevent further geopolitical strains. This naming issue has extended beyond politics, reaching the media. The White House recently barred reporters from the Associated Press from attending events, including those in the Oval Office, because of the AP's decision to keep using Gulf of Mexico. This decision by the AP is part of an ongoing debate and press freedom. Other organizations, such as the White House Correspondents Organization and the New York Times, have voiced concerns over press access and the government's stance on geographic names. As this legal dispute develops, it raises important questions about sovereignty, technology's role in shaping global perceptions, and the power of media in the digital age. Mexico has drawn a line in the sand, and now it's up to Google to decide whether they'll bend to the pressure or face a courtroom showdown. Stay tuned for updates on this ongoing battle.